You know, some cars are just machines. And then there's this, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire in metallic black. It doesn't just sit there. It owns the space around it. Every line, every reflection, it feels intentional, like it was sculpted, not built. And the crazy part, it doesn't try too hard. You walk up to it, and there's this quiet confidence, like it already knows what it is. Even something as simple as opening the door feels different, heavier, more real. Then you step inside, and everything changes. It's not just luxury, it's personal. The leather, the lighting, the way everything wraps around you. It almost feels like the car is built for you, in that exact moment. And when you start it, yeah, that's when it hits you. It's not loud for the sake of it. It's controlled, powerful, like it's holding back something serious. Driving it doesn't feel rushed. It's smooth, almost effortless. The city moves around you, lights passing by, and for a second, everything just feels calm, like you're exactly where you're supposed to be. But then, you push it a little, and suddenly, it's a different story. The speed, the precision, it's unreal. It doesn't just move fast. It flows like it was made for this, and just like that, it's gone. But it leaves something behind, not just the sound or the speed. It's a feeling, something you don't really forget.